Standard 7 English Medium Subject English. Lesson number 2.4. How doth the little busy bee? How doth the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower? How skillfully she builds her cell, how neat she spreads her wax, and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. Isaac Watts. A parody. How doth a little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the waters of the Nile on every golden scale? How cheerfully he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his clothes, and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Lewis Carroll. Standard